When we think about glowing skin, most of us think about creams, serums, and of course water. But what if hydration from within goes far beyond a simple glass of water? Today, we are diving into the unexpected drinks that truly nourish your skin from the inside out. Your skin is your largest organ. It depends on fluid balance, electrolytes, antioxidants, and healthy fats to stay plump, smooth, and resilient. Hydration is not just about quantity. It is also about the quality of what you drink. Water is essential. There is no debate about that. But water alone does not always deliver the nutrients your skin cells need to repair, defend, and glow. That is where functional beverages come into play. You might be wondering, can drinks really change how my skin looks? The answer is yes. When your body absorbs nutrients through the digestive system, they circulate through the bloodstream and reach the deeper layers of your skin. Before we explore these powerful drinks, take a moment to subscribe and like this video. If you care about healthy skin and natural strategies that work, you are in the right place. Let us continue. First up is coconut water, often called nature's sports drink. Coconut water is rich in potassium and natural electrolytes. These minerals help maintain fluid balance inside your cells, including skin cells. When your cells are properly hydrated, your skin appears fuller and smoother. Fine lines caused by dehydration can look less noticeable. Coconut water also contains small amounts of vitamin C, which supports collagen production. Is coconut water better than plain water? It depends on your needs. After exercise or during hot weather, coconut water can replenish lost electrolytes more effectively than water alone. However, moderation matters. Choose unsweetened varieties. Added sugars can trigger inflammation and may worsen acne for some people. Always read labels carefully. Next is green tea. This is not just a soothing beverage. Green tea is packed with polyphenols, especially catechins, which are powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage collagen and accelerate aging. By drinking green tea regularly, you provide your skin with internal protection. Green tea may also reduce excess oil production and calm redness. Many studies suggest it has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit acne-prone and sensitive skin. How much green tea should you drink? 2 to 3 cups per day is a common recommendation. Too much caffeine can cause dehydration, so balance is key. If you are enjoying this deep dive so far, share this video with someone who is always searching for the next skincare product. Sometimes the answer starts in your kitchen. Let us talk about bone broth. This traditional drink has gained popularity for good reason. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids such as glycine and proline. Collagen is a structural protein that gives skin its firmness and elasticity. While drinking collagen does not magically replace your own, it provides building blocks your body can use. Bone broth also supports gut health. Why does that matter for skin? A balanced gut microbiome reduces systemic inflammation, which can improve conditions like acne and eczema. For best results, choose high-quality broth made from grass-fed or pasture-raised sources. Slow simmering extracts more nutrients from bones and connective tissue. Now, let us explore herbal infusions. Drinks like chamomile, rooibos, and peppermint offer more than flavor. They provide plant compounds that calm and nourish. Chamomile may help reduce stress levels. Since stress triggers hormonal changes that affect the skin, a calming evening tea can indirectly support a clearer complexion. If you appreciate practical tips like this, tap the like button now. Rooibos tea contains antioxidants that may help protect against environmental damage. It is naturally caffeine-free, making it a great option before bedtime. Peppermint tea can support digestion. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves as well. Better absorption means your skin receives more vitamins and minerals from the foods you eat. Another powerful option is aloe vera juice. Aloe is famous as a topical treatment, but when consumed in safe, purified forms, it may support hydration and soothe internal inflammation. Aloe contains vitamins, enzymes, and polysaccharides. These compounds can assist in maintaining moisture levels and supporting overall skin health. Always choose products specifically labeled for internal use. Raw aloe latex can have strong laxative effects and is not recommended without professional guidance. Let us move to vegetable juices. Fresh juices made from cucumber, celery, and spinach deliver water along with minerals and phytonutrients. Cucumber juice is especially hydrating because of its high water content and silica. Silica is linked to stronger connective tissue, which supports skin structure. Celery juice contains antioxidants and natural salts that may support hydration at a cellular level. Some people report improved skin clarity after consistent use. Spinach juice offers iron, folate, and vitamin C. These nutrients support oxygen transport and collagen synthesis, both crucial for radiant skin. If you are learning something new, consider subscribing right now. It helps this channel grow and allows us to continue sharing research-backed health insights. Beet juice is another unexpected ally. Rich in nitrates, beets support blood flow. Improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your skin. Better circulation can enhance that natural glow many people seek. Beets also contain betalains compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. What about fruit-infused water? Adding berries, citrus slices, or herbs to your water can increase antioxidant intake while encouraging you to drink more fluids overall. Berries provide vitamin C and anthocyanins. These support collagen stability and protect against environmental stressors such as pollution and ultraviolet exposure. Citrus fruits, like lemon and orange, offer vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Without enough vitamin C, skin can appear dull and less firm. Now let us address a common question. Do sugary drinks hydrate the skin while they contain liquid? High sugar intake can lead to glycation. Glycation is a process where sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen. This weakens their structure and accelerates visible aging. So sugary beverages may actually harm skin over time. Another interesting option is kefir or drinkable yogurt. These fermented drinks are rich in probiotics, which support gut health. A balanced gut can reduce inflammation throughout the body. Since many skin issues are linked to inflammation, probiotics may help improve overall appearance. Choose options with minimal added sugar. Plain varieties with live active cultures are typically the best choice for skin-supportive benefits. Let us not forget about soy milk and almond milk fortified with vitamins. Many plant milks are enriched with vitamin D and vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage. Vitamin D plays a role in skin cell growth and repair. Golden milk made with turmeric is another standout. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation contributes to redness, breakouts, and premature aging. Incorporating turmeric-based drinks may support a calmer complexion. If you are finding value in this information, leave a comment sharing which drink you are most excited to try. Your experience might inspire someone else. Chia seed drinks are also gaining popularity. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like texture and provide omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fats help maintain the skin barrier. A strong barrier locks in moisture and keeps irritants out, reducing dryness and sensitivity. Another hydrating powerhouse is watermelon juice. Watermelon is rich in water, lycopene, and vitamin C. Lycopene is an antioxidant associated with protection against sun-related damage. While it does not replace sunscreen, it can provide additional internal support. At this point, you can see that hydration is multifaceted. It is about fluids, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats working together. If you are still watching, make sure you are subscribed so you never miss future wellness guides. Let us discuss collagen drinks. These powdered supplements dissolved in water have become very popular. Hydrolyzed collagen is broken down into smaller peptides, which may be more easily absorbed. Some studies show improvements in skin elasticity after consistent use. Consistency is essential. Most research suggests daily intake for several weeks before visible changes appear. Electrolyte drinks without excess sugar can also support skin hydration. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium help regulate fluid balance. However, these are most useful during heavy sweating or intense physical activity. For everyday use, focus on whole food-based beverages. Matcha deserves special mention. It is a powdered form of green tea that contains concentrated antioxidants. Because you consume the whole leaf, you receive higher levels of catechins compared to regular steeped tea. This may amplify protective benefits for your skin. How about coffee? Moderate coffee intake can provide antioxidants. However, too much caffeine may increase stress hormones and disrupt sleep. Poor sleep affects skin repair and collagen production. If you drink coffee, balance it with adequate water and restful sleep. If this video is helping you rethink your daily drinks, share it with friends and family. Small changes can lead to visible improvements over time. Hydration timing also matters. Sipping fluids throughout the day maintains steady hydration better than drinking large amounts at once. Morning hydration helps replenish fluids lost overnight. Evening herbal teas can support relaxation and recovery. Temperature plays a role as well. Warm beverages may aid digestion, while cool drinks can be refreshing and encourage higher intake in hot climates. What about sparkling water? It hydrates similarly to still water as long as it does not contain added sugar. Some people worry that carbonation harms skin. There's no strong evidence to suggest plain sparkling water negatively affects complexion. Adaptogenic drinks made with ingredients like ashwagandha or reishi mushrooms are becoming popular. These compounds may help the body manage stress. Since stress hormones can trigger breakouts and dullness, stress support indirectly benefits skin. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding potent herbs. especially if you have medical conditions or take medications. Another overlooked drink is simple mineral water rich in magnesium and calcium. These minerals support numerous cellular processes. Balanced minerals help maintain skin barrier function and proper hydration levels within cells. You might ask, how quickly will I see results? Some people notice improved glow within a few weeks. For structural changes like elasticity, it may take several months. Consistency, overall diet, sleep, and sun protection all work together. No single drink can replace a healthy lifestyle. Keep a simple routine. Choose 2 or 3 skin-supportive beverages and incorporate them regularly rather than trying everything at once. Pay attention to how your skin responds. Everyone is unique. What works beautifully for one person may not have the same effect for another. If you have made it this far, thank you for being part of this community. Hit the like button and subscribe if you want more science-backed strategies for natural beauty. Let us recap the key categories. Electrolyte-rich drinks support cellular hydration, antioxidant-rich beverages protect collagen. Probiotic drinks support gut health, which influences inflammation. Omega-3 rich options strengthen the skin barrier. Vitamin C rich juices enhance collagen production. Anti-inflammatory herbs calm redness and irritation. When combined, these benefits create a strong internal foundation for glowing skin. Remember that topical skincare still matters. Internal hydration enhances the results of your serums and moisturizers. Quality sleep, balanced nutrition, and regular movement amplify the effects of these drinks. Avoid excessive alcohol as it dehydrates the body and can worsen puffiness and dullness. If you choose to drink alcohol, alternate with water and limit frequency to protect your skin and overall health. Creating a daily ritual around nourishing beverages can also improve mindfulness and reduce stress. Stress reduction alone can transform skin over time by lowering inflammatory signals in the body. Track your intake for a week. Notice energy levels, digestion, and changes in skin texture or brightness. Small adjustments such as swapping one sugary drink for green tea can make a meaningful difference. Hydration from within is about synergy. Water provides the base, and nutrient-dense drinks add targeted support. Think of your skin as a reflection of internal balance. What you sip daily eventually shows on your face. Choose beverages that align with your health goals, taste preferences, and lifestyle. Stay curious and experiment safely. Rotate options like herbal teas, vegetable juices, and mineral-rich waters. Prioritize whole ingredients over artificial additives and excessive sweeteners. Your skin thrives when your body receives consistent nourishment. The journey to radiant skin does not have to be complicated or expensive. Often it begins with simple choices poured into a glass. If this guide opened your eyes to new possibilities, leave a comment sharing your favorite skin-friendly drink. Your feedback helps shape future content and builds a supportive community. Do not forget to subscribe so you never miss upcoming videos on health, wellness, and natural beauty. Share this video with anyone who believes hydration is only about water. Help them discover these powerful alternatives. Thank you for watching and investing in your well-being. Remember, true glow starts from within, and every sip is an opportunity to nourish your skin from the inside out.